All right. So there were some red, white, and blue beads in a box. So I do not know how many, but I know there are some of all these beads in the box. Okay. 1/3 of the beads were red, while the number of white beads was, this is the very important thing, 11 less than half of the number of red beads. If there were 284 blue beads, how many white beads were there in a box? So I want to bring you back to that important thing here first. Okay? That portion is very important because they say that the number of white bead was 11 less than half. Half means 1/2 of the red bead. Okay, half of the red beads, right? So I want you to understand the word of here means times. The red beads, I know from the start, the red bead is this much, which is 1/3. So this is what you need to do first. Okay, find out how many parts is the white bead. Okay, it is of how many parts? The white bead is of how many parts? Okay, so what do you do? White bead equals to half times 1/3 equals to 1/6. But you know that the white bead is 11 less. This one you don't forget. Okay, I just want to know the total number of parts. So from here, from this 1/6, I know that the total number of parts is this one. This is total part. Okay, and then this is your white bead parts. Why am I listing down the word part? The word parts, because I want to draw the model, right? I told you that this is a part whole model, which I can use a part whole model. So I want to know how many parts will the model be. So the model will be of 6 parts. So we draw out our model like that. Okay, it will be of 6 parts. Okay, then we cut it up into 6 equal parts. Right, like that. Now we are going to shade all the important things first. So before that, this 1/3, plug it out. 1/3. Now since everything is of 6 equal parts, this one must also times 2 to make it to be over 6 parts. So which means my rate is 2 units. My 6 is my total parts lah. Like just now, same. So my rate 1, 2. This is my rate. Now, the white bead is only 1 unit. Can you see the white bead is only 1 unit, but it's not 1 unit. It is 1 unit and 11 less. So 1 unit is as much, right? This is 1 unit. But white bead is not 1 unit. White bead is less than that 1 unit. Is less than the 1 unit. Okay? So if it's less means maybe, sorry. So which means the white bead will be somewhere here. This is 11. Okay? And this portion here is my white. Okay? That portion there is my white. Okay? So the rest of them will be my blue beads. Okay, this whole thing is my blue. Now I want to put in the units to all this information. So my red is 2 units. I know. My white is, which is this portion. My white is this portion. Correct? This is my white. My white is 1 unit minus 11. My blue, which is all this, the yellow color part. Okay, this is 11 to make it more defined. My blue is, you can see, is 3 unit plus 11. 1, 2, 3 plus the 11. Can you see? Okay. So Right now, I know that my blue is 284. So with this information, I can use it again. 3 unit plus 11 is 284. You must always go and find your 1 unit first. So 1 unit is 284. You take away the 11. Okay? Wait, I repeat this. So you want to find 1 unit, you must take away 11. You're left with 3 units, not 1 unit, sorry. So 3 unit is equals to 284 minus 11 is 273. Now I can find 1 unit, right? 1 unit is 273 divided by 3 and I get 91. I do not stop there because I want to know how many white bits were there. White bits is 1 unit minus 11, which is, this is my 1 unit. This is my 1 unit. So it's 91 minus 11. I get 80 white bit. Answer. Okay, clear? So this is what I call the model is just simple part whole model. Part whole model. But this portion here, this is where the fraction of comes in. Okay, the fraction of comes in with the half of the 1/3 and also changing the 1/3 to become 6 parts. Okay, all right, now you can start to copy.